Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to create clickable links within Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets that will take you out to the internet. Now, there's a couple different ways you can do it. Right now we're looking at Microsoft Excel. I can just type in something like and hit enter, and you'll see that it is indeed an actual clickable link that opens the website, right? But if I didn't want to look at this HTTPS business right here, let's delete that, okay? A couple different ways I can handle this. I can come up here, I can click this little function button, and you'll see that it says hyperlink, and then I'll click OK, or I can enter. And then here I can actually put in a different name instead of looking at the actual address itself. I'll put Digital Creator Resources. And right there, you'll see that it actually says Digital Creator Resources, and it is still a clickable link that will take you out to the internet. Now, here's another way you could do it. Let's say I am going back up here into the top bar, and I'm going to hit formulas, and you'll see this insert function here. It's the same as this one right here. So if I click this, it's the same thing. I click hyperlink, click OK, and then put in the address and the friendly name. So a couple different ways you can do it in Microsoft Excel. Let's go to Google Sheets. So right now, can we actually type in the address and have it work? It looks like it's clickable, and indeed it is. Again, let's say I didn't want to see the address within the actual spreadsheet. I can actually right click my mouse, scroll down, click insert link, have the text. This is the same thing as the friendly text in Microsoft Excel. So Digital Creator Resources, and then I'll type the actual link. And then hit apply, and there you go. So right now it looks like that, and it still takes you out to the same site, okay? If you wanted to work within the top title bar, I'm going to hit insert, click link, then you have the same option right here. So just type in whatever name you want and then type the address like we just did, click apply, and there you go, right? So a couple different ways that you can actually create clickable links within Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel.